19th of October 2012. This must be that clear sky she were on about, you know, when she said it was going to clear up on the weather. Just have a look outside, eh? That plane's making a right funny noise. Making a really funny noise, that plane, you know. I've never heard a plane. Can you hear it? I wonder if it's turning that into the scaler, look. Oh man. Did you hear that plane then? That's making a right funny noise. You're seeing the scaler cloud. Try and get it for you. Hard to pick up, innit? There we go. Yeah, she said it'd clear up today, like. Actually, over there, maybe. I'll have a look here, 12 o'clock. I'll do the next one in 2 hours. We'll see. That plane, though, that plane was making a strange noise. Scalar cloud.